1 hour and a half driving. Five minutes to find a good parking lot, but hey, not bad. So today while I was driving here, I was thinking, what if I make a vlog instead of just taking videos and pictures? And I think it's a pretty good idea. So I will try to show you the place and go through 5 things that I really like. And let's start with number 1. So number 1, I would say discovering new things. Every time that I start something new, like vlogging, taking pictures, editing, I always feel like my mind is working and it tickles my mind, and even though it's frustrating sometimes at the beginning, after all it feels pretty good. Here's number 2. Another thing that, as you can see, I really like are animals. Dogs, whatever, cats. I don't really care. I do really like animals. Huh? That's okay, he's not following me. I was pretty scared. So number 2, I will go for animals, definitely. So this takes us to things number 3. Number 3, I would put definitely water. Everywhere I've been, there's always been lakes, sea, ocean, the fjords. I was surfing in Brazil, so water has really been part of my life. So that's a thing that I do really enjoy. It's number 4. Check it out. Things number 4, I would go for coffee. Coffee is really a thing that I really do appreciate. Any hour of the day, no matter what, warm, cold, it doesn't really matter. There was nobody till 5 seconds ago. Coffee is a thing that doesn't matter what time of the day it is, or if it's cold, it's warm. I just love it. And this takes us to things number 5. So point number 5, I think, would be being connected with people. Social media, actually meeting people in real life, traveling, getting to know new people is always something stimulating for me, and I think that I do enjoy. So that would be my top 5, not in this particular order. I mean, it's not that I like more animals than meeting people,